you one of the people that feel annoyed for wasting their time by playing games or watching videos? Now, what if I tell you that just by doing so, you can earn a big sum of money? So today, I will show you the best platforms for you to make money. All you need to do is watch YouTube videos, play games, and complete various tasks. And I promise you that you are going to love them. So if you don't want to feel bad anymore about spending hours a day watching videos, then stick around and finish the video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So today, we will be using 3 different absolutely free platforms in order to make money just by watching YouTube videos. This is the first, and with it, you can actually get paid for doing a variety of things that you do every day. I'll show you how in a moment, but as you can see, you can make money online using your phone, computer, laptop, or tablet and get paid wherever you are without investment. It's all absolutely free, and they also have an app that you can install on your smartphone device to earn money with just your phone. Today, I'm using the desktop version because it will be easier for me to explain it to you. On this page, they will explain how their website works and such, but all you have to do once you get to the website or install the app is click on the registration button over here. And this will take you to a page where you can create a new account by either signing up with Google, Microsoft, or manually entering your email address and creating a password. And I believe this website is available worldwide, so they will pay you no matter where you are in the world. However, you should check to see if it works in your country. This is how it looks like once you create a free account on this website. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings and balance. You can see how much money you made today, how much money you made yesterday, how much money you made in the last 7 days, how much money you made in the last month, and of course, how much money you made overall with this website. Now, I almost forgot to mention it, but the website's name is Zariklemy.com. You can go to Google Play and search for this app to install it on your smartphone device. Or if you're using the desktop version like me, you can just go straight to the website, which is Zariklemy.com, and sign up for absolutely free. Anyway, with Zariklemy, once you log into your account here on the left-hand side, you'll be able to click on the Earn section over here. Clicking on that will take you to a page where you can choose how you want to be paid. You can get paid to watch videos, browse websites, watch videos, and watch advertisements. That's a great way to make money online because it doesn't require much effort on your part. All it takes is a single click of a button. You simply click and your income on your page increases while you do something else. You can also get money by liking their post, liking YouTube videos, watching YouTube videos, commenting on YouTube videos, and so on. Before we go any further, if you enjoy the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now, as you can see, they even offer a section where you can make comments and reviews and get paid for it, as well as complete surveys and other tasks. Filling out surveys and writing evaluation is not something I recommend because it takes a lot of time and effort. It will certainly pay you significantly more money, but it will take a significant amount of effort. It's not easy to perform both of these things, so I'd rather focus on browsing websites, watching video ads, and leave social media engagement. So you can leave social media engagement by clicking on the link underneath. You can click on the Earn button right here. And that will take you over to a page where you can select exactly how you want to get paid. Now allow me to show how you can get paid by using this platform. As you can see, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram are the first social media platform to appear. So if you click on Facebook page likes over here, you'll be sent to a page where they leave you with available Facebook pages to like. And these Facebook pages aren't bad at all. In fact, you can get paid to like some entertaining and sometimes helpful pages from which you will learn something. So for example, you can like this Facebook page by clicking on the Earn button, which will take you to the second page. It will take you to the Facebook page and earn you money. Click all available pages and you'll be paid again and again. Earnings on your dashboard will update each time you like a page, and you will be able to track it. It's not much money, but it adds up quickly. It's really easy. The more you like those Facebook pages, the more money you'll be able to make. Of course, depending on your home country, you'll be paid less or more per page you liked. If you are from a high-income country, you will be paid much more for liking those pages. And if you come from a country with a poor economy, you will be paid slightly less, but don't worry, it will quickly add up and you will be able to withdraw your money. Of course, you saw that you can do a lot of activities to maximize your results with this website. They will occasionally pay you more money under the Leave Engagement in the social media section. You can earn money by watching YouTube videos. You can probably leave subscriptions on YouTube channels like YouTube videos, leave Instagram followers, watch Instagram videos, and get paid for doing so. And you have all of these social media platforms where you can leave engagement and get paid for it. It's all completely free and it's super easy. It is a really great website and it's a really great app. And you can make a decent amount of money from it. And it's a relatively new app that very few people are aware of. As a result, I strongly recommend you to act quickly before it becomes oversaturated. Again, that's Zariklemy.com and the app's name is simply Zariklemy. You can sign up for free and get paid to watch YouTube videos and do other activities and social media. The second website I'd like to share with you today is called TimeBucks.com. I'm sure if they have an app for this one, or it's just a website that you'll need to sign up for. But in any case, it's a really great one because they will pay you for some unique stuff, such as posting to TikTok, viewing funny slideshows, playing games, and installing apps. They also have a system where you can get paid just for watching videos, and I really like it because they have daily bonuses every time you log into your account on a daily basis. They will give you some completely free bonuses, and yes, you can start earning right away, which means you won't have to wait weeks to be accepted. You can sign up today and start earning money right away, which you can then spend on whatever you want. So simply go to TimeBucks.com. You can sign up with Facebook, which is much easier and faster because it only takes one click of a button. You can also do it manually by entering your email address and creating a password. And once you've created an account, simply log in and you'll see this. This is a brand new account and you can see people from all over the world making money every 10 minutes. This website pays you every couple of minutes. People from Brazil and India are making money every day, and people from all over the world use this website because it's completely free and extremely simple. You can just go to this section. You can complete different tasks and surveys, but you can also get paid to watch videos under the offer walls and tasks section. Once again, this is TimeBucks.com. Sign up for free and get paid once again without investing any money. QuickRewards.net is the third and last website I'd like to recommend to you today. This one will also pay you various tasks. It isn't as unique as the other two websites, but it's still good and pays well. Thus, you can complete various surveys, which I also do not encourage because it takes a lot of time and effort and is simply not worth it. You can definitely able to play games because it is the easiest part. I mean, it's something we probably do every day, though I'm not sure if you play games every day. But you know, there are moments when I just want to relax by playing a game on my phone, and now I can get paid for doing it. It won't be a lot of money, but it will be a few dollars for having fun with my phone. It's not bad at all, and you can also watch movies, which is something we came for and we'll talk about in a minute. And you can also complete offers and earn cashback if you shop online, which is also great. They've been online for a while, for almost 2 decades. And the reason I particularly like and recommend this service is because the minimum withdrawal and redemption is just 1 penny, 1 cent. You don't have to wait till you have a few dollars or anything. As soon as you start making money, you can cash out and withdraw your funds immediately. You may use PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards to nearly 50 national retailers to withdraw your funds. Of course, I'm guessing that majority of you will choose PayPal because you can then spend your money whatever you choose. But don't worry, if PayPal isn't available in your country, as you can see, you can purchase gift cards that you can use at some of these stores. Now, to get started with QuickRewards.net, simply go to their official website. You'll select Create an Account and provide the necessary details. You can go to the new videos section after you have signed up for free. So start watching those videos now, and you'll be earning money in no time. Once again, the 3 different websites, Zariklemy.com, TimeBucks.com, and QuickRewards.net. It is the best platform where you can literally make a lot of profit right now. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.